Hello, ma'am. My name is Ajay Gharti Magar. I am from Bhutan, Nepal. I have 1 year experience in Aisma Hotel.
Okay, so how old are you, sir?
I am 21 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so you are unmarried, right?
Yes.
Okay, you are a kitchen helper. You already work in Nepal as a kitchen helper, right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
show me the skill, sir. Alright, sir. So do you have any friends already in Romania?
No, ma'am.
You drink, smoke, sir?
No, ma'am.
You are Christian, Hindu, Buddhist?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your religion? Are you Buddhist, Hindu,
No, no.
Christian?
No, ma'am.